First of all, let me taste this again. Because today I am going to be making some golden, you can always see right there, some golden fishless fillets. And I'm kind of nervous because of the ingredients. Hold on, let me get this to focus. Yeah. Okay, because of the ingredients, I always think of like tofu, and I'm not sure if that will taste good. I don't like tofu. I don't want to eat tofu. I know that soy is tofu, but you know what I mean. Tofu has a weird texture. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna make it. Now the recommended way is in the oven on 425 for 10 to 12 minutes, or 12 to 14 minutes in a toaster oven, which I'm gonna be using a toaster oven, or I can use a deep fryer. So I may do both just to see if it tastes better fried or if it tastes better in the oven. But I'm ready. I'm gonna make some fries with it as well, some homemade fries. So I'm gonna cut up some potatoes and cook those as well. Okay, so right here I am washing the potatoes, and I'm making sure that I'm getting all the dirt off of there. With potatoes, even if you peel the skin, you want to make sure that you do this step because you don't want your potatoes or your fries to taste like dirt. Alright, so now we're going to cut our potatoes. I usually cut it in half, then cut individual slices off, however thick or thin you would like it, and then I place that individual slice down and chop in individual pieces to make the fries. I've been doing this for a while, so it just comes natural to me, but if you haven't done it before, that's the step. So as you can see, I'm getting my oil ready, and my fries are going to be soaking in some water just so we can get the extra starch off of it so that it can cook better when you place it in the oil. If you don't do this step, then it's going to take longer for your fries to cook. And then I also have my toaster oven ready, set on the preheated time that was on the package. And right here I'm just showing you what the fish fillets look like before they go inside the oven. So I ended up taking 2 of them and putting them in the oven, and taking 1 and frying it in the frying. Okay guys, so now it's time to fry our potatoes. We're going to put it in the oil because it's ready for us, but we want to make sure that we are also being careful because I have burnt myself a couple of times. So our fries, or our chips, our fish and chips, the fries are looking pretty much done. Actually, they are done because we don't want them to burn like the first batch did. So I don't know if you can see that because it's not on like autofocus. So we're just gonna take the fries out. Here's the finished product of the fries and the fried fishless fillet that I made. And usually my fries look a little better, but I don't know, it was new oil. I probably didn't soak the fries long enough. I don't know, but they were still good though, nonetheless. And right here I'm just using some Just Ranch because I really don't like tartar sauce. So I got that, and also some ketchup because who can eat food without ketchup? Nobody. Last 2 fishless pieces, fishless. I got my last 2 fishless fillets out of the toaster oven. So this one right here, the darker one, is the fried one, and these are the lighter ones. And already I think I'm gonna like the fried one better because of the way that it feels. I'm not sure. And again, these are the Gardein Fishless Fillets. They kind of smell like fish, but not a whole bunch. So we're gonna do this. Hold on. So I'm gonna cut it with a fork and a knife because it's hot, 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 hot. It's very hot. Also, I don't know if I did state this before, but I'm going to be using ranch as my dipping because I don't like tartar sauce, and I'm going to be using ketchup for my fries because That's just how I roll. So we're gonna try this right now. Uh-oh, didn't mean to put that right there. Oh man, gotta rinse that off. All right. Oh, itchy, 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 itchy. I'm gonna taste the fried one first. Let me take a little piece because I'm actually scared. Okay, so this is the fishless fillet, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's focused or not because can't see. A hint of fish smell, but not really, so you know that it's not the real thing. And the texture isn't like the fish because it's pea protein. So first of all, let me taste this again because this is good. This is really good. And it tastes like fish. So I like it. Sorry. I like it. I really like it. Because sometimes I'll be craving fish, but I don't eat it. And that's the fried one. So let me just taste the baked one and see if it is the same taste and texture. I'm always dropping stuff. The baked one is, and that's the recommended method that they have. It's good. The fried is better though, but it's still good. It still tastes like fish. It's really good. So I just put a little bit of ranch on it to see how that's gonna make it taste. It's good. It's really good. So if you're thinking about getting this Gardein, let me show you the bag again actually. The Gardein Fishless Fillets. You should do it. It's really good. It comes with 3 serving sizes, and that's 2 pieces each, so 6 pieces. It's good though. It's really good. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you put in the comments below that you want to see more videos like this, but also like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.